So hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is lecture number 19 of our React Mastery course. In the last lecture we learned about event systems and what are event systems and how do we know about what the user is doing on our page with the help of event systems. And we also know that event system detect a user clicking the button or doing anything on our page, and the second system is state system, which updates the content on the screen. So after learning about event system, we know that if user has clicked the button or not. Now our second task is to update the number of count button is tapped, which we will do with the help of state system. So in order to do that, what we need to do, we need to increase count. Count can be a variable here, and we need to increase that count one by one whenever the user clicks on the button. For example, if user clicks for the first time, it will increase it to 0 from 1, from 0 to 1, and for second time it will make the count to 2, and so on. Now in order to achieve this result, we need to make some kind of count variable in JavaScript, and then it should start with the value of 0. As you can see that count is starting with the value of 0, and it will show 0 when the app loads, and we will add 1 whenever the user clicks on add animal button, and whenever the value is changed, we will update the content on screen, which is known as re-render in professional language. So that's what we need to do, and we can use this or execute this with the help of something called use state. So what is use state? First we will write an import statement, which is import use state from React. It will import the use state from React, and then we will make a constant of count and set count is equal to use state, and we will set it to 0. Now what we will do in the handle click function is that first we will delete all this, and there we will use set count plus 1. Now in simple language, what this will do is that it will increase the count, which is currently 0, to 1 on every time the handle click function gets triggered. And when it will get triggered, when the button is clicked. Now in order to display the count, we will write a simple paragraph. The number of animals to be shown are, and we will use curly braces here and put count. And if we save this, it is showing an error. It is that we need to import it by React, and we need to delete this line. And now if we save this, you can see that now it runs, and whenever we click on add animals button, you can see that the count is increasing by 1. That now currently the count is 2, and if we click on add animals button, it increases to 3, and it goes like so on. So that's a basic overview of how use state works, and because it is a very deep concept, so we will understand it by dividing it in 3 different lectures. So this was all for today about the use state, and we will learn more about use state in the next lecture.